Now it's time of problem set 3. Choose the correct alternative. The sequence minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and 2 dot dot dot. Now we need to answer, is it AP, and the reason the difference equal to minus 6. Do you think the difference is minus 6? First of all, we will see to it about the difference. Minus 6 minus 10. So minus 6 plus 10. Minus 6 plus 10 is plus 4. So difference is plus 4. Minus 2 minus 6. That is minus 2 plus 6. And minus 2 plus 6 is again plus 4. 2 minus 2. That is 2 plus 2. And that is 4. So difference is 4. As the difference between consecutive term is constant, so definitely the sequence is in AP. So definitely it is an AP. So first 3 can be correct. Fourth one is not an AP. So fourth one is incorrect. First 3 can be correct. Now difference is plus 4. Difference is plus 4, which is the answer of B. So answer B. Option B is correct option. First four terms of an AP are whose first term is minus 2 and common difference is minus 2 are. Now first term is minus 2. Common difference is minus 2. So minus 2. Then minus 2 is minus 4. Then again minus 2 is minus 6. Then again minus 2 is minus 8 and dot 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 dot. So which is the correct answer? C. Option C is the correct one. What is the sum of first 30 natural number? Sum of the first 30 natural number. For to find out sum, we need to find first method and we need to solve it. Sum of first 30 natural numbers. So S of n equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S of 30 equal to 30 upon 2 into 2a. Natural numbers. Our natural number, first natural number, a means first number. First natural number is 1. So 2 into 1, 2 plus n. N is 30 minus 1 and difference of the natural number. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So difference is 1. So S of 30 equal to 30 upon 2 is 15 into 30 minus 1 is 29 and 29 plus 2 is 31. So S30 equal to 15 ones are 15, 1, 15 threes are 45 and 1, 46, 4, 65. So answer is B. So B answer is correct answer. Next, what is the given AP? T7 is 4. Difference is minus 4. Then A will be dash. We know that T of n equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore, T of 7 equal to A, we need to find 7 minus 1 into minus 4. T7 we know, T7 is 4. So, 4 equal to A plus. Now, 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 into minus 4. 6 into minus 4 is minus 24. Now 4 minus 24 will come on this side, it become plus 24 equal to A. So A will be 28. So answer D, which is 28. Hope you understood first 4 MCQs. Now fifth MCQ. For a given AP, A equal to 3.5, difference is 0 and N is 105. We know that whenever the difference is 0, all terms will be same. What is first term? 3.5. Second term will be 3.5. Third term will be 3.5. All terms will be 3.5 only. So n is 101 means 101th term will be also 3.5. So what will be the answer? Answer is B. The next one. In an AP, first two terms are minus 3, 4 and then 21st term is dash. We know T of n equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is called first term, this is called second term T2. So difference will be 4 minus 3. So 4 plus 3. So difference will be 7. So difference will be 7. Now 21st term. 21st term. So T21 equal to A. What is A? Minus 3 plus 21 minus 1 into difference is 7. So T21 equal to minus 3 plus 21 minus 1 is 20 and 20 into 7 is 140. 140. So T21 equal to 140 minus 3 is 137, sign of greater number. So plus 137 and plus 137 is the C. So sixth one answer is C. Next, if for an AP D equal to 5, then T18 minus T13 R dash. Now whenever you want to do this orally, 18th term, it's so simple. See, first term is A. What will be the second term? A plus D. What will be third term? A plus 2D. What will be fifth term? A plus 4D. So with D, whatever the term, minus 1. Example, what is 51st term? So A plus 50D. What is 18th term? A plus 17D, because 18 minus 1 is 70. So what it will be? The term, the formula will be A plus 17D. That is shortcut. Minus. Can you guess what is 13th term? A plus 12D is the 13th term. Okay. So we will simplify. A plus 17D minus A plus 12D. So plus minus cancel and minus plus minus. So 17D minus 12D. 17D minus 12D is 5D. So 5 and D is also 5. So 5 5s are 25. So seventh answer is 25. Seventh is also C, 25. The next one. Sum of the first 5 multiple of 3. First 5 multiple of 3. For that we will write first 5 multiple of 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. S of n equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. First 5, so S of 5 equal to 5 by 2 into 2a. What is a? 3. So 2 3s are 6 plus 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4 into difference is, what is difference between consecutive term is 3. So S5 equal to 5 by 2 into 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18. 2 1s are 2 9s are. 9 5s are 45. So what is the answer? A, 45. So sum of first 5 multiple of 3 is 45. The next. 15, 10, 5, dot, dot, dot. In this AP, sum of the first 10 terms is dash. Okay. So we know the first term is 15. Common difference. What is difference? T2 minus T1. So 10 minus 15 is minus 5. So difference is negative. We need to find sum of the first 10 term. S of 10. So S of n formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is formula. So S of 10 equal to 10 by 2 into 2a. 2a. What is a? 15. 2 into 15, 30. So 30 plus 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. What is 10 minus 1? 10 minus 1 is 9. And 9 into minus 5. Difference. Minus 5. 9 into minus 5 is minus 45. So minus 45. 2 1s are 2 5s are. So S of 10 equal to 5 into 30 minus 45 is minus 15. And 15 5s are 75. So S of 10 is minus 75. So minus 75. A is the correct answer for 9th one. Now the last one, which is 10th. In an AP, first term is 1. First term is 1 means A equal to 1. And the last term is 20. T of n, last term is 20. Sum of all terms is 399. S of n is 399. Sum of all terms. Find the value of n. Find the value of n. So S of n equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term S of n, we know sum of all number is 399. N by 2. A is the first term. First term is 1 plus last term T of n. The last term is 20. So 399 into 2. Division 2 will come here. It will become multiplication 2. And this 1 plus 20 is 21. This 21 will go in denominator. This 21 will go in denominator upon 21 equal to n. Now 21 ones are 21. 21 ones are 21. Now 21 subtracted 21. So it becomes 9 minus 1 is 8. And 3 minus 2 is 1. So 189. 21 9s are 189. 21 9s are 189. So 19 and 19 2. 19 2s are 38. So n equal to 38. So answer B is the correct one. Hope you understood all the MCQs. Find the fourth term from the AND in an AP. AP is minus 11, minus 8, minus 5, dot 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 till 49. What we need to find? The fourth term from the AND. From the AND. So whenever they ask from the AND, what you need to do? You need to just reverse the sequence. Right? So reversing the sequence, we will write the sequence in reverse form. Our reverse pattern is 49 comma dot 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 minus 5 minus 8 minus 11 full stop. Now it has been reversed. Earlier we need to find fourth term from the end. Now we can find fourth term from the start, because fourth term from the start will be same as fourth term from the end in the above or the given sequence. So in short, now we have to find fourth term. We know the first term. Okay, so here A equal to 49. The difference equal to last term minus previous term. So we'll do minus 11 minus 8 equal to minus 11 plus 8, because minus minus become plus. Now minus 11 plus 8 is minus 3. So A we got, minus 3 we got. And what we need to find? Fourth term. So when n equal to 4. Now since T of n equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. And this is formula. Therefore T of 4 equal to 49 plus 4 minus 1 into minus 3. So T of 4 equal to 49 plus 4 minus 1 is 3, and 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. So T4 equal to 49 plus minus is minus 9, and therefore T4 equal to 40. Therefore fourth term from the end, therefore fourth term from the end in an AP is 40, and that is the answer. Sum number 3, it is for 3 marks. In an AP, the 10th term is 46. And what will be the 10th term? A plus 90. So A plus 90 will be 46. Sum of the 5th and 7th term. 5th term will be A plus 4D. And 7th term will be A plus 6D. Is 52. Find AP. We need to find AP. AP means sequence. We need to find sequence. Now, how to do that? Now, although we know that A plus 9D is 46, A plus 4D, A plus 6D equal to 52, but directly we cannot write. We have to show by method. So, first we will write for an AP. 10th term. 10th term t of 10 equal to 46 and t of 5 plus t of 7 equal to 52, which is given. To find AP. AP means sequence in AP. Sequence in AP. Now solution. For an AP, first we will write the general formula. T of n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, T of n. What is T of n? T of when n equal to, now we have 3n, 10, 5 and 7. So when n equal to 10, therefore T of 10, we know the answer. Answer will be a plus 9d, but then too we have to show a plus 10 minus 1 into d. Therefore T of 10, we know T of 10 is 46. 46 equal to a plus 9d, and we will mark it as 1. Now when n equal to, the next is 5. Therefore T5 equal to a plus 5 minus 1 into d equal to a plus 4d. We will mark it as 2. T5 is a plus 4d. And when n equal to 7, comma, therefore T7 equal to a plus 7 minus 1 into d. Therefore T7 equal to a plus 6d. As we were knowing it, that T10 will be a plus 9d, T5 will be a plus 4d, and 7 will be a plus 6d. And we got the same way. Now the sum of 5th and 7th term is 52. Since T5 plus T7 equal to 52, answer given. The reason given, not answer. Key reason is given. Now T5 is a plus 4d, T7 is a plus 6d equal to 52. Now a plus a, 2a, 4d plus 6d, 10d equal to 52. Okay, now common, take out common, divide throughout by 2, divide throughout by 2. You will get a plus 5d equal to 26, and we will mark it as 4. What we did here, we added this thing and we got it from 2 and 3. So from 2 and 3, from 2 and 3. Now we got 1 also and 4, 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Now 1 and 4 is left. So what we will do, we will subtract 4 from 1. Subtract 4 from 1, just like simultaneous equation. So subtracting equation 4 from 1. So first we will write first equation, which is a plus 9d equal to 46. And here it is a plus 5d equal to 26. We need to subtract. Subtract is minus. Plus a minus a will get cancelled. 9d minus 5d is 4d. And 46 minus 26. 46 minus 26 is 20. Therefore d equal to 20 divided by 4. Therefore d equal to 4 5s are 20. So d equal to 5. So we got the difference equal to 5. Now therefore a, first term is a. Now substitute d equal to 5 in equation 1, first equation, which is 46 equal to a plus 9 into 5. So 46 equal to a plus 9 5s are 45. 45 will go there. So 46 minus 45 equal to a. So a equal to 1. We got a and we got d. How many terms we have to find? 4 terms. Minimum 4 terms. If you want to find more terms, it will be your choice. But minimum 4 terms we have to find. So therefore first term T1 equal to a equal to 1. What is second term? Second term we know a plus d. A plus d, that is 1 plus 5. that is 6. Third term is a plus 2d. A plus 2d, a will be 1, 2 into difference is 5. So 1 plus 10, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11. T4 is a plus 3d. 1 plus 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 16. Therefore, the sequence in AP is 1, 6, 11, 16, dot, 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 dot. And this is the end of sum number 3, which is of 3 marks. Sum number 4, which is of 3 marks. The AP in which fourth term is minus 15. So first we will write given. In given for an AP, fourth term is minus 15. So T4 equal to minus 15. Ninth term is minus 30. So T9 equal to minus 30. Find the sum of first 10 numbers. So to find sum of first 10 numbers, so S of 10. Solution. Now since we know T of 4 will be A plus 3D, T of 9 will be A plus 8D, but then 2 we have to find. So first of all we'll start with for an AP, formula of T of n, and T of n formula is A plus n minus 1 into D, and that is formula when n equal to 4. Therefore T of 4 equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D equal to A plus 3D. Therefore A plus 3D equal to T4, and T4 is minus 15. We'll mark it as first equation. When n equal to, the second n is 9. Therefore T of 9 equal to A plus 9 minus 1 into D, which is A plus 8D. Therefore A plus 8D. What is value of T9? Term 9 is minus 30. Mark it 2. By solving them by the method of simultaneous equation. So we'll subtract now. 8D is bigger than 3D. So subtract 1 from 2. Subtracting equation 1 from 2. Therefore from 2, A plus 8D equal to minus 30, and A plus 3D, 8 plus 8D is minus 30 and A plus 3D is minus 15. Subtracting minus, and this will become plus. Sign will change, right? It is plus, so minus, plus, so minus, so plus. First we'll get cancel. 8D minus 3D is 5D. Minus 30 plus 15 is minus 15. So D equal to minus 15 by 5. So D equal to minus 3. So we got difference as minus 3. Now substitute D equal to minus 3 in equation 1. So A plus 3 into minus 3 equal to minus 15. A 3 into minus 3 is minus 9 equal to minus 15. So A equal to minus 15 plus 9, and A equal to minus 6. So A equal to minus 6 and D equal to minus 3. Next we need to find sum of first 10 numbers. So since S of n equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D, and this is formula. Therefore S of 10 equal to 10 by 2 when n equal to 10 into 2A, 2 into A, and what is the value of A? A is minus 6 plus n minus 1. N minus 1 will be 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 into difference, and difference is minus 3. Therefore, S of 10 equal to 10 by 2 is 5 into 2 into minus 6 is minus 12 plus 9. 10 minus 1 is 9, and 9 into minus 3 is minus 27. 9 3s are 27. So S of 10 equal to 5 into minus 12 minus 27, because plus minus is minus, and S of 10 equal to 5 into, both are negative, so you know same sign addition, sign of greater number, so 39 but negative. So sum of 10 number, now 9 5s are 45, 4 left, 5 3s are 15, and 4 19, minus 195. Therefore, sum of first 10 numbers, the sum of first 10 numbers in an AP is minus 195. This is the answer. Sum number 5, which is of 3 marks. Two given APs are 9, 7, 5 and 24, 21, 28. If nth term of both AP, right, are equal, then find the value of n and nth term. So we'll start with the first AP. Solution. For an AP 9, 7, 5, . The first term T1 equal to A equal to 9, T2 equal to 7. Therefore, difference will be T2 minus T1 equal to 7 minus 5, 7 minus 9, 7 minus 9, which is minus 2. So first term is 9 and difference is minus 2. Now therefore T of n, since T of n equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, which is formula, the nth term are same, so n will remain n only, A will become 9 plus n minus 1, difference is minus 2. So T of n equal to 9 plus, multiply n into minus 2, minus 2n, minus 1 into minus 2, plus 2. Therefore T of n equal to 9 plus minus 2n minus 2n, plus 2 is plus 2. So T of n equal to 9 plus 2, and 9 plus 2 is 11 minus 2n. This is the first T of n that we got. Now for an AP, second AP, for an AP second, that is second AP is 24, 21, 28, . Same procedure you have to repeat. T1 equal to A equal to 24, T2 equal to 21. Therefore difference equal to T2 minus T1 equal to 21 minus 24 equal to minus 3. Therefore T of n equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, which is formula. So T of n equal to A is 24 plus n minus 1 into difference is minus 3. 24 plus n into minus 3 minus 3n, minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3. So 24 bracket plus minus minus 3n and plus into plus plus 3. 24 plus 3 is 27 minus 3n. This is T of n. As both the T of n, as it is given, the nth term of both progressions are equal. Since nth term of both progression are equal, therefore 11 minus 2n equal to 27 minus 3n from 1 and 2. By solving, 27 minus 11 minus 2n plus 3n. Minus 2n plus 3n is n, and 27 minus 11 is 16. So it means we got the value of n required, find the value of n. So n we got 16, and now we need to find nth term. Since t of n again equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, which is formula. Now t 16. T of 16 equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a will remain a. Wait. Of both the terms, right? Which term? So you can take now any. Now which one to take? First AP or second AP? You can take any AP. I'll take first AP because that nth term is same only. 9th a plus 16 minus 1 into difference, and difference of first term is minus 2. So 9 plus 15. 15 into minus 2 is minus 30. Minus 30. So 9 minus 30, and 9 minus 30 is minus 21. Okay, so answer T of 16 is minus 21. We will try the same thing in second AP. Do you think we will get the same answer? Let's see. Now T16 equal to first a will be for the of the sequence 24 plus 16 minus 1 into difference for the sequence is minus 3. So 24 plus 16 minus 1, 15, 15 minus 15 into minus 3 is minus 45. 15 3s are 45. So 24 minus 45. 5 minus 4 is 1, and 4 minus 2 is 2. Sign of greater number minus 21. You don't have to do both, you have to do any one, but just for the verification I did both, so you can understand. Even if you substitute this value in this AP and equal to this AP, the 16th term will be same. So we will write 16th term of both AP are same, and nth term is minus 21. That term is minus 21, and that is the answer. Sum number 6, which is of 4 mark sums. This sum is just a bit lengthy, but it is very easy. If sum of 3rd and 8th term of an AP is 7, and sum of 7th and 14th term is minus 3, find the 10th term. Now how to find this 10th term? For that, first we'll write given. In given, for an AP, T3 plus T8 equal to the sum of 3rd and 8th term of an AP is 7. So is 7. And sum of 7th and 14th term is minus 3. So T7 plus T14 equal to minus 3. Find the 10th term. So to find T10. Now we'll start with a solution. Now solution for an AP. We know that we need to find T3, T8, T7 and T14. Since T of n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is formula. Now therefore T of 3 when T of 3 equal to a plus 3 minus 1 into d. Reason when n equal to 3. Therefore T of 3 equal to a plus 2d. We'll mark it as 1. Now T of 8. T of 8 equal to a plus 8 minus 1 into d. Here n equal to 8. Therefore T of 8 equal to a plus 7d. Mark it 2. Now 7th term.
t of 7 equal to a plus 7 minus 1 into d when n equal to 7, and t of 7 equal to a plus 6d. Mark it 3. And T14 is T14. So T14 equal to a plus 14 minus 1 into d, n equal to 14. Therefore a plus 13d, T14. Mark it 4. Now condition as per given condition, T3 plus T8 equal to 7, which is given. Therefore what is T3? T3 is a plus 2d, a plus 2d. What is T8? T8 is a plus 7-3, a plus 7d, not 7-3, 7d equal to 7. From 1, sorry, my mistake, no, it is correct, right? A plus 7d is right. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, so 2a plus 9d equal to 7, and we will mark this as number 5. Now second condition is given, T7 plus T14 is minus 3, or what we can do, we can substitute value of 2a, we can change the value of 2a. So 2a equal to 7 minus 9d, we can write like this, and we can substitute as a 5 this value 2a, because I guess 2a also will come in T7 plus T14. Now since T7 plus T14 equal to minus 3, which is also given, therefore T7, what is T7? T7 is a plus 6d, a plus 6d. What is T14? A plus 13d equal to minus 3. A plus a, 2a, 2a plus 19d equal to minus 3. Therefore now we know the value of 2a. 2a is 7 minus 9d. So 7 minus 9d plus 19d equal to minus 3 from 5. We got this value from 5. Now 7 will go there. Minus 9 plus 19 will be plus 10d equal to minus 3 minus 7. So d equal to minus 10 upon 10. Therefore d equal to minus 1. So difference we got minus 1. Now substitute d equal to minus 1 in equation. Which equation will substitute? Number 5. Therefore what is fifth equation? 2a equal to 7 minus 9d, and d is minus 1. 7 minus 9 into minus 1 is plus 9, and 7 plus 9 is 16. So 2a equal to 16. So a equal to 16 by 2. So a equal to 8. A equal to 8. So we got value of a equal to 8 and value of d equal to minus 1. Now we need to find 10th term. Now since t of a n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, which is formula, therefore t of 10 equal to a plus 10 minus 1 into d, n equal to 10 equal to, therefore t of 10 equal to a is 8 plus 10 minus 1 into difference is minus 1. Therefore t of 10 equal to 8 plus 10 minus 1 9. 9 into minus 1 minus 9. So t of 10 equal to 8 minus 9. So t of 10 is minus 1. Therefore 10th term of an AP is minus 1. Isn't it easy? Yes or no? Just it is bit lengthy, that's why it is of 4 marks. Sum number 7, which is of 3 marks. In an AP, the first term is minus 5 and the last term is 45. So we will write given equal to, for an AP, first term, that is T1, equal to A equal to minus 5. The last term, T of n, equal to 45. If the sum of all numbers in an AP is 120, S of n equal to 120, where total terms in AP are n. How many terms are there? N terms are there. That's why T of n and S of n. Find how many terms are there. Total terms are in AP are n and common difference is D. And common difference is D. To find, what we need to find? Value of n and D. Solution. For n AP, T of n is given 45. Since T of n equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, which is formula. Therefore, T of n equal to minus 5 plus n minus 1 into D. A equal to minus 5. T of n we know, T of n is 45. So 45 minus 5 will come on this side. It will become plus 5. So plus 5 equal to n minus 1 into D. T of n we have substituted 45. Therefore n minus 1 D equal to 50 and we will mark it as 1. Now n minus 1 D equal to 50. Next is S of n is 120. Since S of n equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D, and that is formula. S of n we know 120 and we don't know, n by 2 into 2a. Value of a we know it's minus 5, it's given here, plus n minus 1 into D. N minus 1 into D, we know n minus 1 into D is 50. So 50. So substituting values and from 1. Therefore 120, this 2 will come on this side, into 2 equal to 2 into under bracket 2 into minus 5 is minus 10 plus 50. Okay, I did a mistake. I had mistakenly instead of n I wrote 2. So 2 will not come here, n will come here, n is there. Now 120 into 2 equal to n into minus 10 plus 50 is 40. Now 40 will go in denominator. So 120 into 2 upon 40 equal to n. N equal to 0, 0 got cancelled. 4 1s are 4 3s are 12, 3 2s are 6. So n equal to 6. So we got the value of n, that number of terms. How many terms are there? 6 terms are there in AP. Now we need to find value of D, difference. Substitute value of n in equation 1. Substitute value in equation 1. Therefore, n minus 1, that is 6 minus 1 into D equal to 50. That is 5D equal to 50. Therefore D equal to 50 by 5, and therefore D equal to 10. Therefore common difference, therefore what is the common difference and how many terms are there? Therefore there are total, how many terms are there? 6 terms. In an AP with common difference of 10. So with common difference of 10. And this is the end of sum number 7.